Hi all. Welcome to Java Application Deployment, using Chef Demo. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the deployment of Java applications, using the Chef Configuration Management tool, on 3 different operating systems: CentOS, Red Hat-based, Ubuntu, Debian-based, and Windows. The complete process is orchestrated through the Jenkins pipeline. The tools, which are used in this Java application deployment are GitLab, for source code management; Jenkins, for continuous integration; SonarQube, for code quality checks; JFrog, for artifactory management; Chef, for configuration management and continuous deployment; Terraform, to provision the servers on OpenStack; OpenStack, as private cloud. Let's explore the workflow of Java application deployment, stage by stage. In the first stage, we will provision 3 virtual machines on OpenStack, CentOS, Ubuntu, and Windows, using Terraform. A Jenkins job is written to pull the Terraform code from GitLab, execute it against OpenStack, to provision 3 virtual machines, and add DNS entry for those 3 machines. In the next stage, Jenkins job will pull the Java application source code from GitLab. A webhook is configured on GitLab, so that the ongoing deployment job will trigger automatically when a commit happens on a particular branch. In the next stage, the Java application source code will be built using the Maven plugin, either in Jenkins master or slaves, based on the target operating system. In case any failures in the build step, pipeline will be aborted. The deployment package will be archived on Jenkins for future use. In this next stage, Jenkins uses the SonarQube scanner plugin for continuous inspection of code quality, to perform automatic reviews with static analysis of code to detect bugs, code smells, and security vulnerabilities. SonarQube offers reports on duplicated code, coding standards, unit tests, code coverage, code complexity, comments, bugs, and security vulnerabilities. When the code doesn't meet the quality standards, an alert mail will be triggered to the development team, and the pipeline will be aborted. Once the code meets the quality standard, the archived Java application package will be pushed to the JFrog Artifactory repository. In the final stage, Jenkins will execute the Chef client in all the servers, which will perform the below tasks on the target server: download and install Java. Download, install and configure Tomcat. Pull the WAR file from JFrog and deploy the WAR file in Tomcat. Finally, the Java application will be deployed into all 3 servers. Let's see the pipeline in action. First, we will create 3 servers. We have a separate Jenkins job for creating the servers. This job will create 3 servers in the OpenStack. Let's trigger the job. The job has been completed now. Let us check the OpenStack. Here we can see all 3 servers were created: CentOS, Ubuntu, and Windows. Let's browse the servers on Tomcat port to see whether the Java application is hosted on these 3 servers, one by one. This is the Java application webpage of the CentOS server. This is the Java application webpage of the Ubuntu server. Finally, this is a Java application webpage of the Windows server. So, all 3 web pages don't contain any content, as the code deployment was not triggered yet. Now, let us see how the continuous integration and continuous deployment of the Java application happen via the Jenkins pipeline. Let us trigger the Jenkins pipeline for Java application deployment. In the first stage, the Jenkins pipeline job is preparing the servers for Chef client execution. Adding all the servers as nodes to the Chef server, and then add the respective role to the run list. In the next stage, the Jenkins pipeline job is pulling the source code from GitLab, and in the next stage, it will build the Java source code using the Maven plugin, either in Jenkins master or slaves, based on the target operating system. In the next stage, SonarQube analysis is getting executed, and it is validated against the quality gate. As the quality gate is passed, the Jenkins pipeline is pushing the built binary package to JFrog Artifactory. In the final stage of deployment, the Jenkins pipeline job will execute Chef client on all 3 servers. As the role is already added to the run list of all the nodes, it is installing Java, installing and configuring Tomcat, pulling the WAR file from JFrog, and deploying that WAR package in the Tomcat server. Now, the deployment has been completed. Let us refresh the web pages to see whether the Java application is deployed and hosted on all the servers. We can view the Java web page for CentOS server. Ubuntu server. And Windows Server. Let us see the continuous integration and continuous deployment in action. As a developer, let me make a visible change in the source code via GitLab UI and see how the changes are automatically deployed into the servers. Here, I am changing the heading in the application, which should be visible in the application after the automated deployment. Let's commit the changes. Let's see Jenkins. Here the pipeline job has been triggered automatically via a webhook, as the administrator user. The pipeline is getting completed. Now the changes should be deployed on all 3 servers. Let us refresh the web pages. For the CentOS server, here we can see the updated web page. And for the Ubuntu server, this is the updated web page. And finally, for the Windows server, this is the updated web page. This is the complete workflow Java application deployment, using Chef on the various OS platforms. For more information, please browse www.zippyops.com. Please follow us on social media, links are available in the description. Like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happenings on DevOps. Thank you for watching this video.